What does flying have to do with playing the cello? When we think of flying, when we're kids, we think like, I'm going to fly like this, and we do this movement. And actually, flying isn't even this, it's more like this. And so we think of how the bird is aligned, it's lying on its belly, and this is the movement. And this movement is one of the best things that you could practice before your cello playing, because it opens out the front of the body. Cello playing by its nature does this, closes, and gives a hug, that's fine, but to open in the opposite direction and combine it with breathing, take maybe 3 deep breaths and then play the cello, and you'll notice a huge difference. Let me know what you think in the comments, and make sure to follow me here for more bite-sized cello hacks.